I'm Tori DeFreitas. I'm a senior this year at the Washington County Career Center in the Welding program. I chose welding because my stepdad is actually a maintenance mechanic for the local Plumbers and Pipe Fitters Union out of Marietta. So when I came to the Career Center my sophomore year, I'd already known Mr. McLeish from my mom and my dad, and it just kind of drew me in because I knew this isn't a career field where a lot of women work, so I just wanted to go ahead and give it a shot.
I usually start off my day with finding metal outside, or I'll start up the oxyacetylene torch and I'll cut fresh metal, and then I start up my welder and I just practice throughout the day.
Welding is a skill you can use anywhere from farming to in a union. It's just a nice skill to have.
My junior year I did a lot of stick welding, so 60-10, 70-18, learning how to do T-joints and flat passes, just a lot of learning the basics. Senior year I'm getting more into like the CAD side of the program, learning how to use the plasma cutter, learning to TIG weld pipe, MIG weld pipe, just a lot of the more hands-on besides learning the book.
Just the experience you get to meet a bunch of people, you get to learn a new trade. It's overall just a great experience.
My favorite project so far this year has probably been learning to TIG weld pipe. After high school I plan on being a pipe fitter, so that's definitely done a lot for me.
Mr. McLeish is a very nice guy. He's easy to get along with. No matter what you mess up in a weld, he can always tell you exactly what's wrong with it and what you can do better the next time.
No matter what skill level you are, he can help you catch up. I came into this program, I'd never welded before, and some of the other kids had, and he caught me right back up with everyone else.
It's a very hands-on learning program, very nice people, everybody can get along and help each other with our flaws. If you don't know somebody, one of your friends, or Mr. McLeish is very good about helping you and stepping in, making sure you know what you're doing.
The Career Center completely changed my life. I wouldn't trade it for the world.